outfit when you're traveling can be the seemingly impossible task. You don't want to be too hot, you don't want to be too cold. It's sometimes cold on the plane, train, bus, whatever you're taking. You want to look good when you arrive. I've got some solutions for you guys. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. I'm excited to see you guys. Before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you for tuning in. You guys have been so fun. I love seeing you and I love the comments. And I love hearing where you're from. I get these little like, hi from Sweden, hi from Japan, hi from Indonesia, like it's nuts. So hi to you guys all over the world. And before I carry on, remember to hit that red subscribe button and I will show up in your mailbox every Friday because there are hundreds of thousands of you guys that are watching these videos and you aren't subscribed. But if you subscribe, then we will always be together. It's like a relationship. Let's carry on. Traveling. It is something that happens a lot in the summer, whether your kids are off school, you're planning a summertime vacation, or you're going on a vacation with your friends. There's just travel that happens a lot in the summer. So I know one of the things that can be difficult, and you guys write me a lot of questions and DMs, is about give me some options to wear for traveling. I've done a video like this a few times and it's very popular. So I thought I would do a specific summertime travel. I always talk about being cold on the plane and dressing warm. And then my daughter said to me, she's like, what about the people that are like sweltering hot? I was like, oh yeah, right. Not everyone's cold. Okay, so I'm going to show you some options for that if you run a little warm when you're traveling on the plane, or maybe you're in Europe and you're on a train, and some things that I just love that will work for the long haul and will also work for those quick little trips that you need to take. So the number one thing that I love, if you do not have a cotton long tank dress, it is literally one of my favorite pieces in the summer. You can get them anywhere. I will link to a few of them below. I believe I got this one at Nordstrom. I love them because there's nothing around the waist. There's nothing on your armpits. So if you're a sweater, you're not like sweating into any short sleeves. And you can actually tie them. So this one, you can actually tie it. If you need to have a little bit of a look going on, you don't want it to be so long, you can tie it to this one. If I want it even shorter, if you want to give it some fashion, something to do if it's dragging, you can wear it with a pair of running shoes. It's a dress, so you look classy. It's black, so if you sit on something or you drop some red wine on it or whatever you're drinking, it's not going to stain. It's just a really easy piece to wear. If you do run cold, what I always do is I actually bring leggings in my bag. I'm always cold on the plane, so I have leggings under the dress. So I don't tie it, I have it long, and I wear it with a pair of running shoes and a jean jacket. So I'm just gonna put that on for you. So I always bring a large tote when I'm traveling, and I throw it on with a jean jacket. The jean jacket always looks classy. I roll up the sleeves and I feel good. The jean jacket is comfortable for me. This one is from Aritzia. I got it last year, but there are so many jean jackets out there. One of the reasons I like this one, it's a lighter shade for summer, and it's also a little bit crop. So I like that. I don't like it especially when I'm wearing something long. I don't want a long jean jacket. I'm just gonna drag everything down. A tote. This one's from Goyard, which is out of France. It is a canvas bag that is coated. If you don't know them, they have very limited stores around the world, but it's one of my favorite brands. They are so resilient. It's kind of like Louis Vuitton, but a little bit more underground. So I throw everything in my tote. As you can see, here are my leggings. If you want to specifically know how I pack for an airplane, there's another video that I did. I'll leave that link down below so you can see it. These are my leggings. These ones are from Hardtail. I love these ones. They're all cotton. So I actually throw these on under this dress. And then if I'm cold, I'm okay. And but if I'm hot, I just go to the bathroom and I strip them off and I throw them in my tote and I'm feeling good. So if you are traveling to somewhere that is a hotter destination from where you're leaving, this is a really good trick for you. I say it all the time. So a great option, the long black dress, jean jacket, leggings, literally one of my most favorite travel outfits. Travel outfit number 2, you guys are gonna die. This is literally my latest favorite. Okay, the long tank dress is one of my favorites, but I went into Aritzia this spring and I found these pants. So I'm just gonna show you. Like, come on. Literally the most comfortable pants. Look at the elastic. They're like, it's just so wide and comfortable. I feel like they give you a little bit of style. I got some pockets. I just put on a plain black tank that I had from Nordstrom, and I got this at a store called Man Woman Home. It's really cute. Like, stretchy headband made out of silk. I think it gives like the outfit instant style. I'll wrap that around my wrist for now. So I put this on and I was flying to Europe. I think I had 15 hours. I wore these and these running shoes. And I landed in Paris at 9 in the morning. Our hotel room was not available, obviously, because it's 9 in the morning. And I just kept going. I had my jean jacket on and I wore this, and we all got on scooters and headed off to cafes and the Eiffel Tower and hung out. And I think I wore this outfit for more than 24 hours. Yep. And I thought I looked great. If you check on my Instagram, there's a picture. My daughter actually took the picture of me, and I was wearing this, and it was like my 24th hour wearing this outfit. But I'm just telling you that it's really comfortable. These pants are actually multi-purpose. They're very classy for the summer. You could wear them with any type of sandals, jean jacket, white t-shirt, whatever. I'll show you the jean jacket. So I threw this on the plane and I was really comfortable. Outfit number 2, wide leg pants, tank top, jean jacket, runners. Okay, so for this look, I wanted to show you a little bit more of an elevated look. This is something that I actually have worn. I was going to work in LA and I just felt like wearing my white jeans. I was like, you know what? I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going to worry about the plane. I really feel like wearing all white. So I did, because I had to land and go straight into a meeting and I just really didn't want to be dumpy. So I put on my white jeans. They're high rise. I always find a high rise jean is better on the plane. I know there's more high rise than low rise, but like the low rise, when you sit down, they're digging in. So these are super soft mother denim. They're high rise. They're very comfortable to wear. This little tank top from Aritzia is really thick and it kind of holds everything in. And this duster from Aritzia, it just gives you instant elevated style and class. I thought it was a great outfit. Again, the monochromatic look, if you need to travel and it's a short, I would say I would wear this for 10, 15 hours too, but I really like my more comfortable pants. But if you're on a short haul travel, a monochromatic white look, as long as you're not a really messy person, I've done it there and back, and I actually showed up back at my house. I was like, my jeans are all in one piece. I don't have any slops on them. This is good. So I wore this. I thought it was great. It's a really classy look. It's kind of about the duster is the finishing piece. I just think it's kind of like a more dressy kimono. So if you're more of a business person and you got to go somewhere and you want to arrive in style, this is a great option for you. Again, this duster could be worn with like a white tank and regular blue jeans. If you're not a blue jean person and you want something more elevated, you can also wear dress pants and a pair of loafers. So I'm just giving you some ideas, but this is something that I have worn and it did survive the trip. So I just wanted to show one variation in that outfit. I found this top at Free People and I thought it was so cute. You know what I love about it is that I kept the all white tank and jeans on. And if you don't want to have, let's say, a long kimono or a long duster and you don't want to wear a sweater or a jean jacket on the plane, something like this is so cute. It just pulls over. It's silk and it has an elastic waist. And again, we're getting back to like my comfort thing. There's no long sleeves. The sleeves are elastic, so they're not going to hang into anything. And it's just very easy to pull on. It can be worn alone. I think that I need to get a button put in, or you could just use like tape. I just thought it was a great option to a sweater or a jacket to throw something like this on top. And last but not least, for you corporate people who are always asking me, Kim, I can't wear those jeans on the plane, or I can't wear that like edgy outfit, I got one for you. Aritzia sent me this really cute blue suit. I'm looking for pockets. There's no pockets. They sent me this really cute blue suit. I have thrown this jacket on with a pair of white jeans and a tank. And then these pants are actually so comfortable. The matching pants, you guys, I'm not even joking you. They're loose. And how professional do I look? So this is actually a great option for you, summer travel, people that are traveling corporately, or maybe this is just your style. Maybe you just are a little bit more business casual and classic. I love this. I think the color makes it very summery and actually gives it a little bit of a funky edge, but the style is very classic. So for those of you guys who are working and traveling this summer, here is an option for you, something a little more business casual. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. There are a few little inspirational travel outfits for whatever you are doing this summer. These are some of my personal faves. I love them for many different reasons, and I just wanted to share those tips and tricks for you. Enjoy your summer, enjoy your travel. Let us know down below in the comments if you have a favorite travel outfit, a favorite sneaker, a favorite dress, a favorite blazer. I want to know, and so does everyone else. Love you guys, and I'll see you next week.